Unlock the future of innovation. Master generative AI in 2025. Welcome to the future of work, where generative AI is key to every successful enterprise. From automated content creation to intelligent data analysis, generative AI is reshaping every industry. Experience AI-powered collective intelligence, sparking new ideas and driving creativity. Generative AI is not just theoretical, it's transforming real-world applications across diverse sectors. From automated content creation to hyper-personalized campaigns, AI is revolutionizing marketing strategies. Uncover hidden patterns and make data-driven decisions with AI tools that visualize complex data with ease. Ready to master generative AI? Our program offers immersive, hands-on learning. Join our digital classroom to tackle AI exercises, build projects, and master tools. From understanding algorithms to deploying models, you'll gain practical skills that set you apart in the AI landscape. Leverage their personalized expertise for a smooth, successful path to AI mastery. The future of generative AI is here. Are you ready to shape it? Join us and master generative AI in 2025. Enroll today.